So control joints on a concrete driveway are control cracks, because it's not if it's gonna crack. Most concrete does crack, and you want to be able to control it with those joints that are made on your driveway. So if a contractor just goes and throws your concrete down and there's no control joints, get ready, because that concrete's gonna crack all over the place. But at least if you have control joints, it'll stop the cracks from going into the other side of the concrete, and it protects from future cracks. It's definitely something that's very essential when you're pouring a driveway or any type of walkway, large walkways at that you make sure you have control joints around those concrete slabs.